Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. What is this, you ask? Well, stay tuned and watch the whole video until the end and you will find out. It is a simple DIY project that at any age, everybody will have fun. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Okay, so here are just some of the items that you will need. You can pause the video and take a look and write these down. At Walmart, if you go to the sewing and crafting aisle, there is an end display of material that's folded into pieces for less than $2. I figured the colors match pretty much everything in my apartment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this animal cracker barrel, you could even find one for Cheetos, and make sure it's cleaned out really good. Then you're going to save these round pieces. I am using 3 for stability, but they're from the pizzas that you bake in the oven. Make sure that they're not too gross and greasy, but just wipe them down. We're going to put lots of Elmer's glue and then hot glue around the edges. And then we're going to sandwich these all together. Now, if one's a little bit bigger than the other, just trace around it. Next, we're going to lay it on the back side of our material and trace around it with a pen or pencil. And then cut those 2 pieces out. Next, I'm just randomly taking extra scraps and just folding it on the back and making that small circle there. Okay, we're going to take this aqua, whatever color tissue paper, and we're going to fold it in the direction that will wrap around part of the barrel and hot glue it in place. You could take extra tissue paper and fold it on the edges. Next, I just took an extra piece of material and folded it in half, and then we are gluing it carefully on the inside of the barrel. So it's just on the back side where that wrapper would be. And then I also decided to hot glue these gemstones that I made and some ribbon. And again, you can just get creative any way that you want. And then I took some extra material and shredded it because I kind of like that shredded look a little bit. And then hot glued it all the way around the edge of the cardboard. And then cut slits so that you can hot glue the flaps down on the back side, and that's going to be underneath what we are making, which is a table. Next, we're going to hot glue this rock. I know it sounds so silly. We're going to take some extra material strips and hot glue those over the rock and to the backboard here. And as you can see, it's underneath the table. And that will also help it stay in place. Here is the finished look, and again, you guys can get as creative as you want once you get the idea and the main part of the project. From there, just start decorating. I took this light green ribbon from Dollar Tree and wrapped it around. There's that little makeshift pillow on the inside of the barrel. And then I should have some tutorials on these gemstones, but I could always do those again later. See, there's that rock. And it's really glued on there, I'm not kidding. It's pretty sturdy. So we're just gonna take this fake candle that I got from Target a long time ago. They usually are less than $5 with rechargeable batteries. Place it on the inside, and this is where you can get creative and put anything inside. You can do Christmas ornaments, you can do like little snowmen, you can do it per season. Next, we're going to put the lid back on, and you'll see how it just stays on here. And then we're just going to put this fake pumpkin that I think I got from Walmart or Target a long time ago, and just adding some light decor on the top. You don't want to weigh it down too much because it'll probably get sort of teeter-totter teeter-tot. I can't say the word, but you know what I mean. It'll tip over. And there you have it, you guys. Isn't that fun? I thank you for joining me today. Get creative, everybody. Have fun and get crafting. Peace out and stay positive.